Guilt-free desserts. 5 delicious sweets that won't derail your diet. For many people, enjoying dessert often comes with a side of guilt. But what if you could satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health goals? The good news is that guilt-free desserts exist, and they can be just as delicious as their sugar-loaded counterparts. By using wholesome ingredients, you can indulge in desserts that are not only lower in calories, but also provide nutritional benefits. Here are 5 tasty, waistline-friendly treats that will let you enjoy dessert without regret. Greek yogurt, berry parfait. A simple yet satisfying treat, a Greek yogurt berry parfait is packed with protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium and supports good digestion, while berries provide natural sweetness and essential vitamins. Layer your yogurt with fresh strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, and sprinkle some granola or chopped nuts for added crunch. Dark chocolate avocado mousse. This rich and creamy mousse feels indulgent, but it's actually packed with healthy fats and fiber for healthy digestion. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants and has less sugar than milk chocolate, making it a perfect choice for a guilt-free dessert. Banana oat cookies. These cookies are naturally sweetened with bananas, eliminating the need for refined sugar. Oats provide fiber, while peanut butter adds protein and healthy fats. They make for a perfect post-workout snack or a midday treat. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, omega-3s, and protein, making this pudding a nutrient-dense, digestion-friendly dessert. The seeds absorb liquid and create a creamy, pudding-like texture that pairs well with fresh fruit and nuts. Frozen yogurt bark. If you love frozen treats but want to avoid the added sugars in store-bought ice cream, frozen yogurt bark is a fantastic alternative. Greek yogurt provides probiotics for healthy digestion, and the addition of nuts and fruit makes it a well-balanced snack. Choosing guilt-free desserts doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. By using natural ingredients and healthier alternatives to refined sugar and processed ingredients, you can enjoy sweets while staying on track with your health goals. The next time you're craving something sweet, give one of these sea desserts a try and enjoy the best of both worlds, delicious flavors and a guilt-free experience. Want to know how to make these desserts? Check out the full blog post at Always Eat Good, link in the description below.